What's up, guys? So we're gonna try something a little different here today. We're gonna do something that's called exotic car blacklist short films. And what that is gonna be like footage I have left over my phone from editing a video, or maybe some bloopers that happen behind the scenes. But sometime between my videos getting released during the week, I'm gonna start releasing these short films just once a week. But I hope you guys enjoy this footage. This is extra footage that I have for this video coming soon of me burning these 305s off. So look out for it.